Dr. T is great because he's got a really good manner about him. A lot of people, I think, have apprehensions about going to the dentist, which I know I wasn't really that type of kid, but it wasn't always the most pleasant experience. When I was younger, I remember going, and it always felt like a punishment. Like, you'd go in there and my hygienist would start lecturing me, and she would start like wagging her finger at my teeth. She would have conversations with my teeth about how bad they were and how they need to take better care of themselves. It was very strange. So I kind of thought dentists were like that, and they would tell you the things that are going to happen, that you need to do this. And the reality is like that's not really the case. Not all dentists are like that. And the thing about Dr. T and the entire staff here is it's all about you. They don't talk over your head. They explain to you the different things that could be done. They give you options, but they let you make the informed choice, and at no time has anyone ever guilted me into anything, or at no time has anyone ever yelled at my teeth or made me feel bad about the fact that it had been a few years since I'd been to the dentist, or they don't judge you if your flossing habits aren't as good as they can be, which has been my case. They just work with you. They're people. They treat you like people, and they let you know the things that they can help out with, and they let you make the informed decision, which is always the nicest thing. You don't leave here feeling like you've been, in a principal's office, I guess, on your way home, which is why I've recommended it to a lot of my friends. It's just been a really cool experience. Everyone's friendly, and they get in, they take care of stuff, and you get on your way. The technology's been really cool. I went in and they just got a new laser technology, which I'd heard about, which kind of goes in and it's preventative care, where they can basically go over your teeth, and it's much more effective than the old just going through scraping and that kind of stuff, which only gives you so much time between each visit. And their new laser technology, I think, gives you months and months of time before you have to go back and repeat that process. And it was the easiest thing ever. They were talking about it. They said, we're going to do this laser treatment on your teeth. I was thinking, is this going to be painful, uncomfortable? Is it going to take a long time? And it literally looked like they had a laser pointer, and they were just tracing my teeth, and it took about 5 minutes. And it was painless. You don't feel anything. I thought that was really neat, that they're able to do things like that in such a short amount of time. Same with the Zoom whitening. I mean, that's a relatively new thing. The technology with that was really cool. I mean, looks like they're just shining a big flashlight into your mouth for 45 minutes while it's doing its job, but there's nothing to it. You just are waiting, So I think that's really neat. The advances that they have available here seem to make all the visits faster, as well as much more comfortable and painless than maybe what some people are traditionally used to over the last few decades. I think people should come here because so far for me in my life, this has been my best experience. Like I said, the main thing is it's the people that work here that make this such a good experience. I mean, everyone goes to the dentist, everyone makes visits, everyone needs dental care at some point, and if you've ever had a bad experience, I think it's time to change and come see. Like I said, their whole thing here is judgment-free dentistry and guilt-free. And it's smiling faces. They know your name when you get here. They're always on time. They're really good about that. So they get you in and out. And again, they let you make the decisions before they start anything. They don't push upon you that this absolutely has to happen if it doesn't. So they kind of leave the power with you, and they just treat you like a normal person. You know what I mean? They're not above you. They don't talk above you. They're just here to help you out, which is the nicest part. They're helpful.